I welcome you all to your YouTube channel that is just for IT. In this video, we will be discussing about AMDOS recruitment, which is a very good opportunity for all freshers. So you must watch this video till end. Do subscribe this channel, like and share this video. So firstly, we will talk about the company, that is about AMDOS. Basically, AMDOS is a multinational corporation which is responsible for providing best-in-class technical support to a global customer base. It maintains ownership of the resolution of complex technical problems, including debugging, simulations, identifying bugs, tool and script development, or for problem diagnosis and troubleshooting. So if you want to explore more about the company, you can visit its official website by searching on Google. So this is the official website of AMDOS company. Here you can explore more about the company. Now let's talk about the job profile. Job profile is software support engineer, required travel minimal. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So if you're pursuing BE or BTech in computer science or IT or equivalent, so you can apply in this job profile. You must possess strong technical, analytical problem solving and communication skills. C++ language, Java language, SQL and Unix knowledge is required. Now let's talk about what will your job look like. You will provide engineering expertise to troubleshoot, modify, and engineer software solution and configurations to ensure the product or solution performs with optimal design specification. You will investigate, debug the issues, provide fixes and workarounds, and verify changes to ensure continued operability of the software solution. You will communicate with internal or external customers to enhance the understanding of customer problems and verify that an opportunity resolution has been applied. Now let's talk about the 8 reasons to work for MTOS. You can join a leading global software and services provider championing creativity and technology to build a better connected world. Touch the life of over 3 billion people by enabling connectivity, stimulating commerce and economic growth, and inspiring people through the power of entertainment. Work for a company that serves the world's largest communication and media companies. Be a part of that company that engages in relationships with over 600 plus leading film studios, TV networks, and producers like Disney, etc. Help drive partnership with some of the world's largest tech companies. Immerse yourself in one of the largest end-to-end DevOps departments in our industry. Join a diverse and inclusive work environment, advancing the communities in which we work while creating sustainable products and services. Grow with the global leader with opportunities to develop, learn, and upskill yourself. Now we will talk about how you will apply in this job profile. So if you want to apply in this job profile, you will find this link in my video's description. So you will be redirected to this page. After that, you have to click this Apply Now tab. When you click this Apply Now tab, you will be redirected to this page. On this page, you have to fill this information. First, you have to upload your resume. Then you have to write your email address. Then you have to again type your email address. You have to choose a password. Then you have to write a first name, last name, your mobile number, your work experience. If you don't have a work experience, you have to write 0 over here because this field is required. So after filling this form, you have to click on apply. When you click, when you click on this apply button, your application will be submitted. And if your application will be shortlisted, then you will be eligible for next rounds. So this is how you will apply in this job profile. Do like, share this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.